And so we go again. We're about to hit the road and go deliver another 50 generators today. We're trying to beat the storm that is currently in the Gulf so that the folks that are out there have power. Miss Sabrina Galloway has helped make this happen with a team of amazing athletes and philanthropists. And what we're doing here today is always, as I say, bigger than me, but it's bigger than us. And this is meaningful work for people who are in their homes without power.
Back at it again.
Gino?
Nah, man, it's bigger than all of us, man.
Let's go to work.
Yeah.
This is what you do for the people. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm kidding. What y'all don't know is I moved furniture for Ashley Furniture for quite some time. You really see anything on the Louisiana highway. That's why you got a big truck. Ain't got no power, and the government ain't gonna do what they supposed to do. So do you wait or do you help your people? You know what I'm saying? You don't wait on the government. You gotta do what you gotta do to help your people. They'll leave them suffering.
Y'all can bring it straight to the truck. Stop right there. Okay.
The need far exceeds our supplies, but we are here to give another 50 generators away today. And you can see the line is down the street almost. Sabrina Galloway and her husband is Langston Galloway, plays for the Phoenix Suns.
Right.
We spent $179,000 to buy 200 generators to give away to help people.
Awesome, bro. Appreciate y'all so
Sabrina,
much,
Sabrina,
Awesome,
shake these folks' hands and say thank you.
Y'all just don't know how much it's...
She helped organize the group of people who funded this.
Appreciate y'all doing so much. I'm telling you, greatly appreciate it.
No problem. Any way we can help.
Man, awesome. Y'all just don't know.
Oh,
Y'all
I'm
blessing
glad
me.
it's going to good use.
Absolutely.
Bless y'all.
All right.
Bless y'all.
So much.
I understand. Right there.
Appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. God is so
Yes,
good.
God is good.
Thank you so
Take
much.
a blessing to be a blessing.
And
So we
it's,
just
and
trying
it's
to do
truly
our
a blessing
part.
because we still don't have no light.
It's coming.
So thank God for His blessing and thank God for you and your crew.
Yeah, no, it wasn't one person, it was all of us and a lot
That's
more
why I say
people.
your whole crew.
That's not even here, but we just
But God is good. I appreciate it.
trying to do our
Thank
part.
you so much. Y'all doing y'all part. I'm telling you. This is a big help to St. Charles Parish.
There you go.
Thank
Joy
you so
coming.
In the morning, in the evening,
You're
all
right,
day
today.
long. All
Yes,
day
ma'am.
long.
You better get that generator done. You better get that generator. They gotta.
That thing in there, boss.
All right.
Louisiana ingenuity.
Man, I feel y'all. Thank y'all, baby.
We power to the people.
Love y'all. Love y'all.
Power to the people.
Make sure y'all
Power
love
to the
y'all.
people.
Power to the people, baby.
Thank you, Mr. Gary Chan.
Shit, that thing got in there.
This is Mrs. Sabrina Galloway. Tell them all the people who helped make this happen.
Got us, Langston and Sabrina Galloway, Jrue and Lauren Holiday, Jahil Okafar, Frank Jackson, and just a collaborative effort from all of our NBA family. Plus Garrett, what's this guy? You love this, y'all love this guy. Yes.
We're just making it happen. Power to the people, literally.
When you need us again, I like giving back. That's all that matters. When do you need us again?
Don't say that.
Tomorrow,
That's real though.
I'm taking 15 or 20 to Hammond tomorrow.
I ain't gonna cap because I know we was out of power for a week, man. 3 weeks? I wouldn't even do it. I'll be gone.
Listen, we serve
Just the
food on
crib.
Thursday. We
So
serve
giving back
food
to them?
every Thursday down here.
Where you from?
I live in Baton.
So let me tell y'all, this is Mrs. Langston Galloway, Sabrina Galloway. Her husband is an NBA player for the Phoenix Suns last. And Mrs. Galloway and a group of NBA players and their wives have come together and paid for all of what y'all see and they hit me up and said, how can we get this stuff out? And so we teamed up together, and that's what y'all see. So
It's real big.
this is philanthropy.
The government do us bad. The government do us bad down here. It's real big.
We appreciate y'all because one thing we couldn't do was get them to the right places and physically, clearly. But we just appreciate y'all. And we hope it motivates you to find some way to give back. Like, yes, it doesn't take a catastrophic event to get involved, but that's like the best part about college is finding yourself and growing. And that could be through activism, philanthropy, anything. But, you know,
Find your lane and
run with it.
and run.
Absolutely.
So we standing here waiting to, one person left, they need to come and get their generator. They did us a favor to deliver to somebody's house. So Sabrina and I stand here talking, and you can hear the crickets, right? But I want you to see the businesses and recognize that as dark is setting in, these people really have no power here in St. Charles Parish. And this is 2 weeks after Ida in Louisiana, South Louisiana heat, 90+ degree temperatures that people are living in. Let me tell y'all something. Gino McLaughlin, that man is a grassroots organizer. He went and talked to every car here that we did not have a generator for to explain to them what took place today and our disappointment that we could not serve them, but we are going to attempt to do it again. That is a first-class black man serving black people. Huh? In South Louisiana, making it happen for the people, baby. Power to the people. People ain't got power, but the damn plant show do. It's real dark. It's real dark. We're on the road. We in the plans, about to drop off some generators in the neighborhood. Last stop of the night. These folks couldn't get to us. They had reached out. We're gonna take care of them. Home delivery service today. Home delivery, baby.
We gonna bag out.
5 more to go. You can see, these folks in this neighborhood on this side of the street don't have no power. So these for houses right here, and their neighbors gonna hold them till they get home, because they're not even able to be here, but they coming because help is on the way. Y'all know the longer I drive this thing, the more I feel like it's my truck.
So you get more comfortable.
Mm-hmm. You see me. Gino like, oh Lord, what kind of ride home is my truck?
Keep reaching up here. You can't find it to hold on to.
On the road again. On the road again.